Let's make some breakfast potatoes. First thing, you're going to want to use some yellow gold potatoes or a red potato for this. And you're going to slice them into nice thin slices that should look just like this. Put those in a nice big mixing bowl. Next, thinly slice a half onion. Then turn those slices around and give them a nice slice right through the middle. Then go ahead and put those in the bowl with the sliced potatoes. Next, we'll add some olive oil, drizzle it over them, and then we want to add some black pepper, some salt, and some paprika. If you're not a fan of sliced onions, you could leave those out and add a little onion powder as well. Now we want to give these a real good mix. Get that seasoning and oil coating all the pieces in the bowl. Next, in a parchment paper lined baking sheet, you're going to spread out all of the potatoes and onions and distribute them evenly over the pan. This will help them brown evenly, and so you don't end up with some that just are cooked but not browned. Bake at 425 for about 25 to 30 minutes until nice and brown. Then we're going to add a couple of over easy eggs, and breakfast is served.